Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am again in front of you with the lecture of class 11th. In the lecture of class 11th, I will start a new chapter, that is permutation and combination. Before starting this chapter, I want to tell you some basic concepts. Suppose you have a suitcase with a number lock, okay, and the number lock has 4 wheels with the digits from 10 digits from 0 to 9, and the lock can be opened if 4 specific digits are arranged in a particular sequence with no repetition. Somehow you forgotten the sequence, that particular sequence with which the lock will be opened. You only remember one digit, that is 7 in the first place. You are trying to apply the numbers on out of that 3 wheels from 0 to 9. You are trying again and again from digit 0 to 9, 3 at a time, when no digit repeats, है ना? And if this method is so much tedious, to make the method is easier, we have some counting techniques, okay, in permutation and combination. So let's start with that counting techniques. What are that techniques? The first theorem on the basis of this counting technique, that is first principle, that is fundamental principle of counting. What is this fundamental principle of counting? Let us suppose an event can occur with n different ways, following which another event can occur in n different ways. Then you have to find the total number of events. That occurring of total number of events is m cross n. Okay, that means you will count by using m cross n. Let us suppose we have some example of pant and shirt. Let us suppose you have 3 pants and 2 shirts. If you want to arrange these pants and shirts like this P1 S1, that is P1 S. If you have 3 pants with 2 shirts, so I will arrange these type of arrangement. Either with first pant you have taken with shirt 1, with P1 you have taken with shirt S2, then with pant 2 shirt S1, and P2 with S2, that is shirt S2. Then with the third pant you have the same arrangement. And if you want to do the counting, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possibility of these pants and shirt. But if I want to do it quickly, so there is a method 3 pant and 2 shirt, that is 3 2 is 6. So this is the mathematical counting technique with which we make our counting very simple. Okay, so let's start with the exercise 7.1, that is based on this fundamental principle of counting. Okay, so let's start. Our first question of 7.1 exercise is how many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, assuming that repetition is allowed and repetition is not allowed. You have to find the sum for the repetition and not repetition. How you can find? First of all, check how many digits are there. There are 3-digit numbers, right? I will do the first part when the repetition is allowed. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many total numbers? 5. So this placement we have 5 options. For this repetition is allowed, so all the options are there also, and for this values we have 5 options again. For this block, all the blocks have the same options of these 5 numbers because repetition is allowed. So total, you have to find the total 3-digit numbers. So total 3-digit numbers, you can write it as a 3-digit numbers is equals to 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Now come to the second part. When repetition is not allowed, I will again make these boxes, and for this we have a 5 option, right? But the repetition is not allowed. That's why 1 is reduced from this counting. 1 is selected in this box, and out of this we have 4. Again 1 is selected, and we have the 3 option for this box. So total 3-digit numbers when repetition is not allowed, that is 3 into 4 into 5. That is 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So this is the way to solve the question. by without using the counting. We have to only use the multiplication. This is fundamental principle of counting. Now come to the second question. Our second question is how many 3-digit even number. These are even numbers can be formed from the digit this if the digit can be repeated. So how you can solve it? This is very simple question. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits at here, and you have to make the 3-digit numbers. For forming the even numbers, the option for these are 6, 4 or 2. Only in this case, when the unit digit has only these 3 elements, these 3 numbers, that makes the digits even. Okay, so this has only 3 option and this has 5 option. This also have 3 and 3, 6. Okay, so because the repetition, the digit can be repeated by selecting one of the numbers, all the digits can be written here also, because the repetition is allowed. So we have 6 and 6 digits. So total even numbers form is equals to 6 into 6 into 3. 6 6 are 36 into 3. That is 36 into 3. 6 3s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 10. That is 108. So this is very simple question. Come to the next question. Now come to the question number 3, in which how many 4-letter code can be formed from using first 10 letters of the English alphabet. So there are 4. You have to make the 4-letter code. So I will make 4 boxes for 4-letter code, and 10 letter of English alphabets are given. No letter can be repeated. So for this we have a 10 option. One letter will be selected here, and the options of for this box is 9, and for this boxes we have 8, and for this boxes we have 7. So total 4 number of 4-letter code. 4-letter code can be 4-letter code. Total number of 4-letter code form is equals to 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. Okay, 7 8s are 56, 9s are 504. That is 5040. These are very simple question. I will do the next question for all of you. Come to this question, that is question number 4. You have to make the telephone number with 5 digits. So I will make 5 boxes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. You have to make the telephone number that, as always, the number start with 67. So these are fixed in the box, and the number you have to choose from 0 to 9, but 2 are already selected, and no digit appears more than once. Okay, you should not be repeated any other numbers. So these 2 numbers should be excluded from this 0 to 9. How many numbers are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There is 4, 4, 8, 5, 9, 10. There are 10 numbers. 2 are excluded from this. So out of these we have 8 options. So for this we have 8, 7 and 6 options. So we will write total number of 5-digit telephone number form, 5 digits telephone number form is equals to 6 into 7 into 8, right? 7 6 are 42 into 8. 8 2s are 16, 33. This is 336. So these are the 4 questions. Exercise has only 6 questions. 2 questions for your practice, to the practice of that type of questions. Thank you.